In the sweltering summer of 1858, London had a problem. A very big, very smelly problem. The River Thames had turned into a cesspit. We're talking raw sewage, animal carcasses, industrial waste, and worse, all fermenting under the summer sun. The smell? Utterly unbearable. It wasn't just unpleasant, it was unholy. Pubs soaked their curtains in vinegar to block the stench. Lime was poured along the riverbanks in desperation. Lawmakers in the Houses of Parliament fled sessions, gagging behind handkerchiefs as the reek wafted in from the Thames. And it had a name: the Great Stink. The smell was so horrific, so overwhelming, that it actually forced the British government to act. Not war, not famine, but smell. Enter engineer Joseph Bazalgette, a man with a name as grand as his plans. He spearheaded the creation of a vast sewer system designed to carry waste far downstream before it hit the Thames. A monumental project, and one that saved lives. Because here's the kicker: the Great Stink wasn't just gross, it was deadly. London had suffered repeated outbreaks of cholera, but no one understood how it spread. They blamed bad air, miasma. It wasn't until after Bazalgette's system was built that doctors realized the truth. Cholera was waterborne. The stink had forced them to accidentally fix the real problem. Sometimes progress isn't born of noble ideals. It's born of holding your nose and saying, enough is enough. Strange? Absolutely, but true.